Still 2 digits?
Yes.
No way. No.
8?
Yeah, his age as a student, 2 digits. No. So 2 digits is enough. And it's a scale. Why should I say scale? Because it has a measurement. Age is measured by years. Right? So, what I'm going to do is I'll define in the memory of the PC I'll define 2 digits in the memory of the PC, 2 digits occupied specially for age, because I need 2 digits. Somebody may say, what if I keep the number of digits as it is without touching it? Would that be possible? The answer is yes. And why is that? Because nowadays the PCs are much more faster than it used to be previously. So it's good. If you leave it, it's okay. But I'm just trying to manipulate it for you. Let's add another variable. How about gender? Okay? Gender. Uh-oh, it's caps. How is I will not touch any of those. I come directly to this to the label, gender of the student. Okay. What is this? How gender is measured? Is it scale? No. Nominal? Ordinal? No. Nominal. So we will choose nominal. Let's give codes for the values of the age, of the gender. Let's say 1 and 2. 1 stands for male or female?
Female. Ladies first.
No, Adam's first.
Male or female? What's the difference? No difference. This is true. No difference. But some may claim there is a difference because, as you said, our father Adam was before Eve. But this is not true. Somebody may say F as female comes in the alphabet before male, M. So we don't care. Look and listen carefully. I'll write number 1 as the code. Then I'll go to the label. This is a label for the values. I write 1. 1 stands for female. Female. Okay? حتى بالعكس الريشيشن يعني. Even if you make it vice versa, no problems. I'll write 2 this time, and I'll write male. Try here to be careful in using the words. What I mean is, if you make a misspell, this misspell will go everywhere. So you have to be careful. And somebody may say, no, on the contrary, this is useful. Why is useful? Because I don't have to reprint every time. I'll write it once and it goes for all. Okay, I'll show you how. Do you have any other codes for gender? No, it's only 2. No, that's not available. Okay. Let's go to another variable. Nominal? Okay. I just didn't want to explain numeric for you, but it's you who asked for. Okay? I'm not going to explain. What I explain will be included in your exam. What I don't, it doesn't. But I'm going to explain for you, even if it doesn't. No, fair, bro. داخلني مدرسة, but I'm going to explain for you. Numeric, it means that in the process of the data entry, are you? Pardon me?
It's number?
Yeah. Are you going to enter string, words, numbers? So it's numbers. How about a comma? Of course, numbers, and you have 8 digits occupied for it with 2 decimal points or places. How about comma? You have heard about thousands and always you have commas. This is the comma. How about dot? With a dot. A sort of, especially the accountants use always commas plus dots. Dots, yani points. How about scientific notation? Who has heard about scientific notation? The exponent, yeah. The exponent variables are like this. Like exponent plus 23. What does that mean? If I have a number 1.2 e plus 23, what does that mean? Uh-oh. You don't have it, you don't know it. It's 1.2 times 10 to the power 23. How about if it was minus? Okay? It's the same. If it's minus 23. If it's plus 23. Okay? Do we call this scientific notation? Exponent. So this is the scientific notation. How about date? We can deal with date because date is variable. The very same story goes to the dollar. Dollar sign, somebody is dealing with money. Why custom currency? You think that everything is dollars? Of course not. We have IDs, Iraqi dinars. Or maybe you are talking about euros. Or whatever the currency is. Or what? Tuman? No. You don't deal with your Iranian tuman. How about string? It was not you, somebody else. What is the string? The string is a text. I want to write the name of a student. Or I want to give the address. Address. Where do you live in Erbil? Right. I will write Erbil-Rayati. That's an address. Okay? Restricted numeric, it's an integer with a leading to 0. The previous versions didn't have this, but this is the only version. I think 21 as well had this. There are some new things in 22 which were not available in the previous versions, but nevertheless, don't think about it, and it's just for information. Okay? But for the gender, I don't need decimal points. But I'm going to ask, what is this? This is columns and this is width. The difference between width and the columns, width is the number of digits occupied in the memory of the PC for that specific variable. Okay? It's in the width. How about columns? Columns, when I go to the variable, the data view, when you go to there, you will see that every column has got its own width or its own space. Okay, I'm going to show you. You want us to add some other variables? How about grade? Grades? Marks? Yes? No? You don't want marks. And width, the width is the number of the digits that are occupied in the memory of PC that specific variable takes. It's for the memory.
For example, the age.
Age, you need 2 digits for age. It's occupied for 2 digits only. But if I write age, it will occupy 8 digits for age. Even if you don't use the 8 is occupied. For the columns, no, it's only for the matter of viewing, to see it. Only to see it. Okay? I said, we're not going to touch it, but we can do it, of course. Let's go to the, which is the most important, let's go to the data view. Let's talk about the student number 1. How old are you? 24, you said? Okay. What's his gender? 2. Uh-oh, there's something wrong. Because we didn't define the license, you didn't give us the folder name. It's okay, for some other time. Whatever you have